G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm working on this jade tree. I have done a video on this jade tree 7 months ago and I'm just going to do a bit more refining on it today. This tree is now, at the moment, it's 21 years and 3 months old, and yeah, I'm going to just remove some pieces. I'm not sure what's going to be the front of this tree, either this or this side. This side probably makes more sense. I'll stand it up straighter, it's leaning over a bit in the pot. But this sort of makes more sense because of the view, but we'll see. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to get rid of all the sinkers I've got on here, because some of the branches that have got sinkers I'm actually going to remove. I have got wire on here as well, but the wire's not cutting in, so I'm not going to be removing the wire. I think that's all the sinkers I can see. Actually, that wire is cutting in, so that wire might have to go. I might have to get rid of that wire. Pardon me, I might do that straight away. It was just it's a bit of a shame I had to take it off, because it's only cutting in around where it was wrapped around the trunk at the base at the beginning of the wire. The rest of the wire is all loose. Unfortunately, it has to come off because yeah, we don't want it cutting in. Okay. Possibly put some more wire on. We shall see in the future. Okay, for trimming wise, I think that's all I'm going to do for now. What I will do now is, I still want to, I've got a hole, I've got this concave here, and I'm trying to get this concave to rot through out here. So what I might try is just putting away some of the dead wood that's in here, give some more fresh stuff to rot. See if I can get it all the way through. Get rid of some of this dead stuff. Just try chiseling in, just a touch. Give some fresh wounds there for it to need to heal up. So I've just wounded it some more in there. Hopefully now we'll rot through further. Just do a bit of the same up here. This nodule here I don't like, so I'm going to get rid of that. I said last video, it's winter at the moment, so anything I do on this tree is going to take a while longer to heal. Okay, so this is the tree now, and I've left some options. If for some reason I want to branch out here, there's a little branch growing. Get rid of later if I want. I was sort of wondering about these two branches, if one of these two should go. Again, I'll just play it by sight over time and see how it looks and decide in the future. Yeah, that's the tree as it is now. I do think that might be the front of the tree, but we'll see. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next week.